I just got my first sale in my drop servicing business, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly how I got it step by step. And this isn't your ordinary how to find clients drop servicing video where they show you a ton of methods but nothing that's actually working in a case study format. So if you'd like to see that type of content, want to make sure you watch this video to the very end, and let's get started. Alright, so we get right into it. My first sale, how to find clients for drop servicing. This is my channel, Rashad Keith, $1 Million Hustle. Give me a subscribe if you like the content. All right, video topics. Number one is my first sale in my drop servicing niche. 2, the method I use to get my first client, which is Bing search ads. Some people may know it as Microsoft ads, they're interchangeable. 3, challenges with using Bing search ads. And 4, my strategy to hit 1K in sales. All right, my first sale in the drop servicing niche. The first sale came in after my second week of running ads on Bing search, and that order total was $177.30. But it felt like the lottery. When it came in, I was working at the time, and I was like, what the heck is this? Got that notification, it just felt like I was on top of the world. And it's like proof of concept as well. My niche is book cover design, and fulfilled the order on Fiverr for $55. That's what the tip included. The service was actually like $40. I just tipped him because he did really well. And I delivered the cover, and the customer that I had, he was super excited, and he was like, man, what do I leave a review? You know, and all that. So that was a good feeling. So this is a snapshot from my website, and this is the actual notification that I got. And I'll go ahead and blur his email out there, but that is the order. And this is the custom order that I ordered on Fiverr, $40, and he did really well, so I went ahead and tipped him. I also want to work with him in the future, so I want to start building that relationship. Method used to get my first client with Bing search ads. I use Microsoft ads, formerly Bing ads, similar to Google, so people are searching in certain keywords, my ad pops up, they click on it, and they make a purchase if they like to. And so I'm bidding on keywords like book cover design service and book cover designer. And my ad pops up as a search result, which leads to my website. And the keyword that led to the sale was book cover design art. So I have like a click tracker where I can see every click and exactly what they're typing in. So that way I'll know for the future, like I can start targeting that particular keyword for better sales or whatnot. And I would consider it a success because I did get a sale, but it was still negative ROI. So I spent over $300 to get 177, right? So it's like there is potential there, but you have to be very careful about the keywords that you're using. And right there, I've got 177.30 minus 340 in ad spend, so that is a negative. And then this shows kind of the flow of Bing search ads. So someone will go to Bing, and then, which is similar to Google, and they typed in book cover design art, and that triggered my ad. And this is my ad right here. It's a live look. So it's number 1, and this squirrely bracket keyword. So that just means whatever they type in, it automatically gets populated into my ad, which increases the click-through rate and all of that. And then this is just the rest of the ad. They click on this, go to my website, and make a purchase. All right, so next, challenges with using Bing search ads. So Bing ads can be a gold mine, and I've made over 3K in 1 month with affiliate marketing in the past. And that video, at that time, it was $21.75, but I continued to run it after that. So I don't want to make it seem like Bing ads is just like if you run it, you're gonna be negative ROI. It can be positive ROI. You just have to pick your keywords very carefully. And yeah, so only if you're targeting the right keywords, so target it by your keywords. My keyword book cover designer actually has 3 different intents, and this is why I had that negative ROI. And because of this, I'm moving to a more visual platform to ensure each ad dollar is targeting the right audience, right? So, oh wait, let me go back. So over here to the right, I'm showing there's 3 people that's using the same terms that are, clicking on my ad, right? So the first one, you got book sleeves. So if you ever seen maybe like an airport or students, they'll put it over their textbook for, I guess, privacy reasons, or sometimes it's like an aesthetic thing. That's not an actual book cover. That's just like a sleeve, right? Then you also have people that just love art. So they'll look at things like New York Times bestsellers, top book covers, and just look at like I don't know, so that Obama book and maybe Steve Harvey, and just looking at the covers and just enjoying that art. So they're not actually looking to buy anything, they're just looking around like art gallery. And then 3, book cover design templates, right? So there are softwares like Canva and these other ones where you can take a bunch of templates and just throw your author name on there and then publish it that way. So there's also those people, and they're not looking to buy anything either. So I've got like 4 different people using the same words looking for different things, which makes sense, because it's like, that's why I was negative ROI, because I wasn't targeting properly. So it's not a Bing thing, it's a Rashad thing, you know? Okay, so my strategy to hit 1K in sales, and I already got it up there, it's Etsy, but I want to explain exactly why. Etsy is a more visual platform which can make it easier to get sales. And if you look to the right here, it's got the custom book cover design ad text, right? But it's got images of the actual book covers, and it's a little bit easier to understand. Okay, this isn't like a pre-made template, right? And you're looking to buy something if you're on Etsy. So it's not like my ad text before. Let me scroll back. You know, with this, depending on what they type in, they could be thinking they're gonna get a template, you know, potentially. But with Etsy, it's much clearer what you're gonna be getting before you actually click. And on these platforms, you pay for that click, so that's important. Also, there are existing cover design shops on Etsy with steady sales, but with basic offers. So I'm not knocking Christine cover design, so if you're watching this, it's not like that. I'm just saying this, you're just offering the cover design, but there's also a big thing on Etsy where they have these bundles, right? They can get your cover design, but you also get like, okay, this is how you launch a book on Amazon, and this is how you price the book, and you can kind of bundle a bunch of digital products to that listing to make it, you know, more valuable, right? So that's what I'm planning to do with this, because our pricing is similar, but he's just offering, or excuse me, she is just offering, you know, the cover design itself. All right, so the plan is to create a KDP bundle along with the book cover design to be the most valuable listing. I'm thinking I can come in and, you know, be that #1 listing, run ads to it, and we'll just see what happens. You know, if we win or lose or draw, you know, that's a part of the thing. I'm a risk taker. Also, Everbee, it's a Etsy sales app. Once you get sales, it does let you know like what keywords led to the sale. So what I could do is, not only am I going to be making my offer better by using Etsy, I can also take some of those keywords back to Bing and see if I can get more sales, because I will be able to know, okay, these were people typing in if they want an actual custom book cover design, not a sleeve or any of that other stuff I was mentioning, right? And so, yeah, so that's my strategy. If you want to see that case study on Etsy, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.